sentence of today. I will be the teacher, Mr. R.I.P. So, check it out now. Real. Yeah. Fuck spit and spit, I spit flames. I'm the most deranged and insane bastard, but I hit this here game. Mr. Ripley, the name that's carved across your chest with a rusty switchblade that goes right through that stablet. See, once we're nothing now, you walk around as if you were me. Kid, if I was you, I'd be afraid, cause soon I'll be knocking at your door in a rage. I'm done with that place now, let's turn the page. Check it out. Yeah. Cause I'm sicky, hypocritical, stereotypical, filling with shit cause you spread like matter of fecal. And it ain't legit, I see through it like a window and it ain't no dumb dindo. I'm sick smoking endo, thinking what can I do? Be kicked in the door but I climb through the window cause I'm small and you're nothing at all. But that's proved in a pause, you better tread on your tippy toes or I'ma break your fucking nose. Rip 6 different holes in your neck so I can talk through your lungs. Your lifespan I short and I'm kinda like a fucking gun. Thinking that you're tough, be only tough when you're thinking bums. My rap's way a ton, amazing when I'm spraying some. Keep you like grenade shrapnel when I'm finished. Identified by the white shells around your tongue. Now your memory will only mum remember there's a feeling, son. See, I told you prick, there's no need for the writing. We can put down the mic right now if you want. Stop writing, it's no difference to me. It's just 6 and 2 3s cause I knew ain't nobody being ripped on these streets. I've got sick beats. You go out and buy all of yours for cheap, there's no comparison, prick. Give up now and take your seat for the show of a lifetime that they make all enemies retreat. While I stand on top smoking spliffs the size of trees. Yeah, prick please, get on your knees as I devour these cowards with raw steeds.
Yes.